I know you're hungry, so come with me to make this mango nilla overnight oats with just 5 simple ingredients. So you're going to need protein powder. I chose this vanilla ice cream, fruit of your choice, mangoes, of course, chia seeds, and milk of your choice. This time I use whole milk, sometimes I use lactate or whatever, and rolled oats. Anyway, oats. The oats that you need are called rolled oats. Don't get any other type of oats, because they won't cook. So get rolled oats. And oh, by the way, this is vanilla protein powder. Milk, I use whole milk. I've seen people using coconut milk, which I want to try so bad, but I just got some whole milk, really cheap, really simple and easy. And what I like to do is I like to shake up the milk with the protein powder first so that it's like thoroughly mixed in with the oats. So let me get my blender bottle. And you're gonna do, let's just say, 2 scoops of protein powder. And make sure you also have these cute little jars to put them in. This one I got at Dollar Tree. So you can get this for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Cute, they have little lids on it, and affordable. Putting some of the oats in the jar. You can find these jars at your local dollar store. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. And I'm putting about half a jar of the oats, along with 1 spoon of the chia seeds. You could adjust it to however you like it, but I like to put less oats so that there's more milk and more space for other toppings, like the fruit. So after everything is all mixed up, you're going to add your milk mixture, which is just protein powder and milk, and just fill it to the top. And I know it seems like it's a lot of milk, but the oats will soak up the milk, as you can see right now. So I'm gonna add more milk. All right, now our overnight oats are done, so we're just gonna cover it, put it in the fridge, and leave it overnight. The mango, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to cut it fresh so that it's not soggy. And we're gonna put it on top, and we're gonna melt some peanut butter and Nutella, and it's gonna be so delicious.
Few moments later.
All right, our overnight oats are done, and I'm gonna top mine off with some warm peanut butter on top of the fruit. And look at that. Look how creamy and delicious that looks. Super delicious, super easy to make. If you want more videos like this, make sure you tune into my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye, y'all.